My carpet and sofa look so dirty and worn out. I really need professional cleaning. This isn't working. I need expert cleaning services.
Do you know anyone good for carpet and upholstery cleaning?
Yes, contact Dunn Home Maintenance. They provide reliable service and great results.
Hello, I need carpet and upholstery cleaning.
Sure, Elisa. We'll schedule a visit and take care of everything.
We see deep stains and dust buildup. We'll use professional cleaning methods to restore everything.
That sounds perfect.
We use safe and effective cleaning techniques.
This already looks much better.
Wow. Everything looks so clean and fresh. My living room feels brand new again. Thank you for the excellent service.
Dunn Home Maintenance Price, bringing freshness back to your home.